Ahoy! Welcome to my special Christmas video where I am going to teach you a Christmas carol, a very old Christmas carol. But before I start with our Christmas topic, I would like to tell you about some exciting news. My video course for absolute beginners is now live, and you can purchase it in the link that you see below in the description. And if you're quick enough, you will be able to get it at a very special price. There are still a couple of hours left to buy it at this price. Dámy a pánové, přicházejí Vánoce. Ladies and gentlemen, Christmas is approaching, and I would like to teach you a very old Christmas carol. Its written form was found in the 15th century. It might be even older. Anyway, this Christmas carol is Czech. There's also a German version of it from around that period. But we could consider this a Christmas anthem. In the Czech Republic, Christmas is not considered only a religious holiday. Nowadays, it's more of a tradition where we meet with our families, we share food and gifts, and we also sing Christmas carols. Vánoční koleda. Koleda means a carol. Vánoční is of Christmas, so Christmas carol. Vánoční koleda. And I forgot to mention, although you might have noticed, we have a very special guest here, and that is the Christmas tree, Vánoční stromeček. Although this is a Christmas tuya, which is not very typical for Christmas. Anyway, this Christmas tree is going to keep us company during this lesson. Our Christmas carol is called Narodil se Kristus pán. Christ the Lord was born. I wrote the title in cursive. Maybe you've seen that when Czech people write. They write in this style. This is actually how I prefer to write for myself because I'm faster. We are going to learn the first part of the song, and we will do it step by step. First, I will explain what the words mean. Then we will read it together. Then we will listen to this part being sung. Then I'm going to teach you the melody, and then we will sing it together. I am very excited. Let's start. So, this is the first part of the song. It has 4 parts in total. Let's read the first line. Narodil se Kristus pán, veselme se. In English it means, Christ the Lord was born, let us be merry. Now the second line. Z růže kvítek vykvet nám, radujme se. A flower bloomed from the rose, let us rejoice. Next line. Z života čistého, z rodu královského, from a pure life of a royal family. And the last line. Nám narodil se. He was born to us, or he was born for us. This song is celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, who in the Czech Christmas tradition brings gifts to the children. As I mentioned, in the Czech Republic we are not as religious as in other countries, but we love Christmas and its spirit, giving gifts and singing carols. Now I would like you to repeat this after me. Narodil se Kristus pán. Teď ty, now you. Veselme se. Z růže kvítek vykvet nám. Radujme se. Z života čistého. Z rodu královského. Make sure you pronounce the long vowels. Z rodu královského. Nám narodil se. Výborně. Let me point out a couple of words. Here we have narodil se. He was born. This is past tense. When you see a verb in past tense, you know if it's referring to a man or a woman. Here, because it has only L at the end, we are talking about a one single man. If it was a girl, it would be narodila se, L-A at the end. Růže means rose. Kvítek means a little flower. So a little flower bloomed from the rose. For us. Nám means to us. Z života. Život means life. Čistého. Čistý means pure, clean. But this is in the genitive form. So from the pure life. Z života. Čistého. Remember the lesson on genitive? When we have z. This is one of the key prepositions. Z rodu královského. The same thing also. Rod means a clan or a family. Král means a king. Královský is of a king. Royal. Královského, again, the genitive case of a royal family. Nám, again, nám to us. Narodil se. He was born. Now I would like you to listen to this one little part of a song which is played and sang by Czech musicians, a very beautiful version where you can hear lots of instruments. I will play only a little part and then I will also add a link to this video so you can listen to this beautiful song and this beautiful version and see all the instruments being used in this video. Tak poslouchejte, listen. Bagpipes.
Narodil se Kristus pán, veselme se. Z růže kvítek vykvetla, radujme se. Z života čistého, z rodu
Beautiful, isn't it? Now I will take you to my piano where I will teach you the melody and you will connect it with the words. The melody of the first line is like this. Narodil se Kristus pán. That's why it's important to pronounce those long vowels. Kristus pán. And then the next part is veselme se. Second line. Z růže kvítek vykvet nám, radujme se. Now the third line. Z života čistého. And the melody repeats. Z rodu královského. Last part. Nám narodil se. Budeme zpívat. Now let's sing. And now the last part, which is going to put all of us to the test, including me, because although I used to sing a lot, I don't do that so much, but I believe I will be able to manage it. I am going to play a melody without voice, and I'm going to sing it, and you follow me. I'll be also showing the words so you can follow easily. Are you nervous? Jste nervózní? Nebojte se, don't worry. We're gonna have fun. Jdeme na to. Narodil se Kristus pán, veselme se. Z růže kvítek vykvet nám, radujme se. Z života čistého, z rodu královského, nám narodil se. Woo! Thank you so much. This is all. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and you will show off in front of your family that you know a Christmas carol in Czech, which was written in the 15th century. How cool is that? Mějte se krásně. Veselé Vánoce. Merry Christmas, you guys.